Hello! Today we are taking a look at 5-star rated items from Temu. Let's take a look. First up we have this fantastic coffee filter and also this holder which makes a nice set. As you can see, it fits this holder perfectly and I have even found a perfect mug and spoon for it. Let's start with the filter and holder. This sleek design not only looks great on your kitchen counter, but it also makes brewing your morning coffee a breeze since the only thing you need is hot water and coffee. I got this holder for around $11. The filter holder is made out of metal, giving it a sturdy and durable feel. I added this rubber feet so it won't scratch the counter it's standing on and it's super easy to clean, which I like. I just rinse it under warm water and it's good to go, and you can also clean the filter this way. I got this filter for around $5. The filter on the other hand is made out of plastic and stainless steel and it feels very well made. The mug is the perfect size to fit right under the filter and holder, allowing your freshly brewed coffee to flow directly into your cup. I got this mug for around $10. And let's not forget about this spoon. It comes with a funny text that's guaranteed to bring a smile to your face every morning. I got this spoon for around $1. Imagine stirring your coffee with a spoon that says "Enjoy your coffee, I love you." This combined set is perfect for coffee lovers who appreciate a blend of functionality and fun. It's also a great gift for anyone who loves coffee. Next we have something truly out of this world, an astronaut mobile holder. This little guy is not just practical but also a cool decor piece for your desk or nightstand. I got this mobile holder for around $3. The astronaut design is incredibly detailed, with a cute helmet and a spacesuit. It looks like the astronaut is holding your phone with one hand, but it's not just about looks, it's designed to hold your phone in place, whether you're watching videos, making a video call or just charging your device. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just looking for a unique phone holder, this astronaut is sure to impress and it's compatible with most smartphones. Now let's talk about keeping your devices clean. Our next product is a fully packed mobile cleaner kit that includes everything you need to keep your smartphone or tablet spotless. I got this cleaning kit for around $7. This kit comes with a variety of cleaning tools, each designed for a specific purpose. We have a microfiber cloth for gentle cleaning, tiny brushes for getting into those hard to reach places, and even a special tool that you can squeeze to blow air into tight spaces. It's amazing how much dust our devices can collect. Regular cleaning not only makes your devices look better, but also helps maintain their functionality. The tools in this kit are easy to use and very effective. The microfiber cloth is perfect for wiping down screens without leaving scratches, and the brushes are great for cleaning ports and crevices. Having a clean device is not just about looks, it's also about hygiene. Think about how often you touch your phone throughout the day. This kit makes it easy to keep your devices clean. Next up we have a handy gadget for your bathroom, the Toothpaste Squeezer. I got this Toothpaste Squeezer for around $1. This little tool is designed to help you get every last bit of toothpaste out of the tube, ensuring nothing goes to waste. You can even use this squeezer for other products, which makes it even more useful. The design is simple but effective. Just insert the bottom of the toothpaste tube into the squeezer and then twist the handle to push the toothpaste out. It's surprisingly satisfying to use. This is especially great for kids or elders who might struggle with squeezing out the toothpaste, or for anyone who hates the frustration of dealing with a nearly empty tube. Plus, it helps keep your bathroom neat and tidy, as there's no more messy tubes lying around. You can even use this squeezer like this. That will definitely make your bathroom feel less messy. Last but not least, we have the perfect solution for cable management, the cord organizer bag. I got this bag for around $3. If you are tired of tangled cables and struggling to find the right one when you need it, this product is for you. The bag features multiple compartments and elastic loops designed to hold various types of cables and accessories. It's spacious enough to accommodate everything from USB cables and chargers and other small gadgets. What I like about this bag is how it keeps everything in its place. No more digging through a pile of tangled cords. You can easily access exactly what you need. The compartments are designed to fit a variety of cable sizes and shapes, and the elastic loops keep everything secure. It's perfect for traveling or just keeping your home organized. If you have a lot of cables or tech accessories, this cord organizer bag is a game changer. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. And before you go, don't forget to hug your pet, like, comment and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time on Twilly Tries Things.